This is Sonia, a 24-year-old girl. She works in an IT company, carrying the weight of her family's responsibilities. Sonia's father is bedridden. Her mother is a homemaker, and her younger brother Ryan is still in school. The pressure on her is immense, but nothing compared to what she is about to face. Sonia's life is filled with challenges. Her boss, Mehul, is relentless, always burdening her with the toughest assignments. On the last working day before Christmas, while her colleagues left early to celebrate, Mehul kept Sonia back purposely with an urgent task. As the clock ticked towards 9 p.m., she finally completed her work, only to realize she had missed the operational hours of the lifts. Sonia's workstation was on the 13th floor. Dreading the long walk down the stairs, she was about to head to the stairwell when, to her surprise, the door of the 5th lift opened with a tinging sound. This lift was always marked unserviceable. Relieved Sonia stepped inside, unaware of the horror awaiting her. Sonia enters into the lift. As the doors closed, the air grew thick and cold. The lift began its descent, but something felt terribly wrong. The lights flickered, and Sonia heard faint whispers. The lift stopped abruptly between floors, and the doors creaked open to reveal a dark, empty hallway. She could see shadows moving and hear footsteps approaching. Panic set in as she repeatedly pressed the button to close the doors, but they wouldn't budge. Shadows and whispers intensifies, and Sonia's panic rises. The whispers grew louder, calling her name, Sonia, Sonia. She felt an icy hand touch her shoulder and she screamed. Just then, the lift door slammed shut and it continued its descent. When the lift finally reached the ground floor, Sonia stumbled out trembling. The lobby was eerily silent. She saw a janitor cleaning and rushed to him, explaining what had happened. His face turned pale and he whispered, "You shouldn't have used that lift, it is haunted." He told her the story of a woman who had died in that lift years ago. Her spirit was said to haunt the lift, trapping unsuspecting souls. Sonia realized she had narrowly escaped a sinister fate. She felt a chill run down her spine as the janitor's words sank in. Shaken Sonia rushes out of the building, looking over her shoulder and vowing never to return after hours. But the horror of that night haunted her dreams. She could not shake the feeling that the spirit was still watching her, waiting for another chance. As the days passed, Sonia's health deteriorated. The terror of that night took its toll, and she became a shadow of her former self. One evening, while home alone, she heard the familiar tinging sound. She turned to see the same lift doors opening in her hallway. The spirit had followed her, and there was no escape. Sonia's story is a chilling reminder of the unseen horrors that can lurk in the most ordinary places. Sometimes the past never lets go. If you enjoyed this terrifying tale, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more spine-chilling stories. Thank you.